Okay, so as discussed in previous slides or some previous discussion, the Mach number. So Mach number is a quantification. So there can be three cases where Mach number is equals to 1, m is equals to 1, m is greater than 1, and m is less than 1 in the same order. If the m is less than 1, if it implies that object is subsonic, means the speed or velocity of that object is less than that of speed of sound. If Mach number is 1, it implies that it is sonic, moving with the speed of sound. If m is greater than 1, the Mach number is greater than 1, that this kind of quantification gives us an information that object is moving with speed or velocity greater than that of sound, and there will be the production of shock waves and many different parameters associated with shock waves has to be studied. That is what we are doing it. So how we can present this Mach number as? It is a ratio of two speed. This is just a number, a unitless physical quantity, Mach number, giving us some information. So ratio of something divided by something. So speed of object divided by speed of sound. So let me represent it as v, speed or velocity. So v is velocity. So velocity of sound, that is constant. Velocity of sound is constant, and velocity of object or a body. So if the velocity of, let's say this is 340 meters per second. If the speed is less than 340 meter per second, something less than 340 divided by 340 will be less than 1, implies subsonic. Clear. Now if I substitute the speed of sound as 340 divided by 340 will be 1, it implies that it is sonic. Fine. But in case, let's say the velocity of the object is exceeding this value 340 meter per second, then what happens? Then it will be termed as a supersonic object. Means the object moving with the speed greater than that of speed of sound. This shock waves will be produced and all the parameters we have to learn. So this Mach number is fine physical quantity giving us an information about at what speed the object is moving at. Now I saw the raw content. In that raw content we have one table giving us the Mach number 0.8, 1, 1.6, and etc, etc. We can take different examples. As I was mentioning that Dunkirk movie by Christopher Nolan again and again. I don't know whether that can be in the script or not, but you just look after it, you will feel good. Also for this particular Mach number, this particular image or a picture, or for this particular Mach number, this is how it looks like. If it exceeds, then we get a cone. Even I came across one thing while surfing on the internet. For supersonic we get this shock wave. This is for you, this is for like the one-to-one interaction. This is for you. Like searching for the supersonic, we get this conical thing, conical projection, this the vortex. For sonic and subsonic, such kind of things we have in a different shape, that we should also present them. If it is subsonic, then also it won't be a shock wave. Yes, because the wave front won't be in forward direction. But there is some structure. I'll be sharing the image with you. It's on Wikipedia only. Okay, so this is what it is. There is nothing much in this. There is one geometrical aspect which I love to share. I'll be sharing that in different video, where we deal because there are few numericals regarding this Mach number and alpha and sine inverse of 1 by m something. So there is some angle it makes likewise. So we'll have that geometrical part in different video. But till that, you make some few slides introduction of this shock waves. I didn't find this subsonic, sonic and supersonic. Let's put it in a slide. This is subsonic, sonic, supersonic, less than sound, equal to sound, greater than sound. When sound means greater than speed of sound. Likewise, this few animations or pictures and all, of course you are very smart at that. Anything else you will communicate verbally or over text, and we'll try to finish. So I think I am remaining with the characteristics of a shock wave. That is a theoretical part. Let it be that can be managed. The one geometrical aspect, some little derivation of that formula, how it comes, I'll make one special video for that and I'll upload. Okay, thank you.